Hi, I'm Alex. I'm representative of Wattle Wallet. It's extended cryptocurrency wallet. Basically, this is a hardware device that will allow you to store over 100 cryptocurrencies in cold storage and give you instant access to online trading. You choose the trading platform that we are connected to, and you do instant trading without any time or fee, any extra time or fee. This is how we work. I can show you. We already have a prototype of our software, where you can basically you plug the device, you connect it to the PC, the software pops out, and you can manage your wallets. You have cold storage, you choose the trading platform, the wallets are connected, everything is working fast and nice. I have here a small, let's say, prototype. It's a model that we want to show you how it works. It's all manually done here. See, this is the Wattle Wallet instructions and recovery sheet over here at the standard, and here's the device itself. And take it off here, and here we go. We have a full color display and a fingerprint, just one bottle to rule them all. This is going to be all the device for 100 cryptocurrencies. So the private keys are stored on the device, and it's a hardware encryption. It's impossible to get them out or for someone to steal them from you. So the only possible way is for you to connect to the software, to pass the fingerprint verification, biometric tests, and you see your private keys and you operate with your own funds that are held on this device.
So does it work with Mac, and will it work with Mac and PC?
Yep, it does automatically detect what kind of operating system it is, and the software will prompt out automatically. I can show you over here. So basically, once you do your first connection, this is it. So it will prompt out from the device itself. It will take the latest software from the server. The installation is like several buttons, and you're welcome into your dashboard where you can do everything.
Will there be a mobile app for it as
Yes,
well?
it's a cross-platform software. There's a use case, a video use case of how everything works, and it has a Bluetooth inside. You connect it, you pair it with your phone, and then you can manage all the operations from your mobile phone. Just whenever you'll be doing any financial operation, the device itself will show you the transaction ID, and you have to do the fingerprint confirmation.
Great. So where can we go to learn more about the Wattle Wallet?
You can visit the wattlewallet.com, or you can email us. You can find us on Twitter, on Facebook. Stay tuned. We are not an ICO. We're not doing any token sale. We're going to be doing the pre-sale of the product in November, December, and the full product launch and delivery will be 2019, February or March. We're going to declare that on pre-sale by the end of this fall.
Do you have estimated MSRP price?
Yeah, we're thinking about 110 euro.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.